Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Start by opening Play Store. Now type Repost for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of it. Choose Share To, tap on Repost app and go back to it. Pick one of the options and click on the photo that you want to download. Then tap on one of these options to move the label or remove it by clicking on the square icon. Tap the middle button, and now when I go into my photos, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!